I love someone, too. And the person I loved, I lost. It's a boy. Just a boy. When I was a very young girl. When I was 16, I made the discovery. Love. All at once and much too completely. It's like you suddenly turned a blind light on something that had always been half in shadow. That's how it struck the world for me. But I was unlucky. Deluded. There was something different about the boy. A nervousness, a softness and tenderness, which wasn't like a man's. Though he wasn't the least bit effeminate looking still. That thing was there. He came to me for help. I didn't know that. I didn't find out anything until after our marriage. He'd run away and come back, and all I knew was I'd failed him in some mysterious way and wasn't able to give him the help he needed but couldn't speak of. He was in the quicksands and clutching at me, but I wasn't holding him out. I was slipping in with him. I didn't know that. I didn't know anything except I loved him unendurably, but without being able to help him or help myself. Then I found out. In the worst of all possible ways. I come home suddenly into a room that I thought was empty, which wasn't empty, but had two people in it. The boy I'd married and an older man who had been his friends for years. Afterwards, we pretended that nothing had been discovered. As the three of us drove out to Moon Lake Casino, we're drunk and laughing all the way. We would dance the Varsoviana. Suddenly, in the middle of the dance, the boy I had married broke away from me and ran out of the casino. A few moments later, a shot. I ran out. All did. All ran and gathered about the terrible thing at the edge of the lake. I couldn't get near for the crowding, then somebody caught my arm. Don't get any closer, come back, you don't want to see. See? See what? Then I heard voices say, Alan, Alan, the gray boy, he stuck a revolver into his mouth and fired. Some in the back of his head. I've been blown away. It was because on the dance floor, unable to stop myself, I'd suddenly said, I saw, I know, you disgust me. And then the searchlight which had been turned on in the world was turned off again. And never for one moment since has there been any light stronger than this kitchen candle.